If you live in Sterling Heights and are thinking about a new roof, you know it's a big investment. A proper roof installation protects your home from leaks, energy loss, and even structural damage. But how do you make sure you're getting a quality roof installation? Here's a straightforward homeowner's checklist to help you feel confident about the process. Research roofing contractors thoroughly. Before hiring anyone, take time to look at local roofing companies. Check their reviews online, look at their ratings with the Better Business Bureau, and ask for references from past customers. A trustworthy roofer should have no problem showing you proof of their license and insurance. In Michigan, a contractor must be licensed, so don't skip this step. Get multiple written estimates. It's smart to collect at least 3 estimates in writing. These should include details like materials, labor costs, warranties, and timelines. Compare the estimates carefully, but don't jump for the cheapest option. Instead, look for the best value, a mix of fair price and good workmanship. Choose high-quality roofing materials in Sterling Heights. Winters can be harsh and summers get warm. Choose roofing materials that stand up to Michigan's weather. Asphalt shingles are popular, but there are also metal, slate, and composite options. A good contractor can guide you on what fits your budget and lasts the longest. Understand the warranty. Ask about the manufacturer's warranty on materials and the contractor's workmanship warranty. Warranties protect you if something goes wrong later. Get these in writing and read the fine print so you know exactly what's covered and for how long. Confirm proper permits and inspection. The City of Sterling Heights usually requires permits for roof replacement. Your contractor should handle this, but confirm it's being done. Also, check whether inspections are needed after the job is finished. Permits and inspections help guarantee the work meets safety and code standards. Discuss roof ventilation and insulation. Quality roof installation isn't just about shingles. Good ventilation and insulation matter, too. Poor airflow in your attic can lead to mold, ice dams, and higher energy bills. Talk to your roofer about adding ridge vents or soffit vents and making sure your attic insulation is in good shape. Check the installation process. Before work begins, ask the contractor to explain the steps they'll take. Tearing off old materials, installing underlayment, flashing, drip edges, and then the shingles. They should also tell you how they'll protect your landscaping and clean up when the project is done. A contractor who can clearly walk you through these details is usually reliable. Monitor the job progress. While your roof is going up, don't be afraid to check in. Visit the site each day to see how things look. Are the workers on time? Is the site kept tidy? Are the materials as promised? Stay in touch with the crew leader or project manager so any issues get handled quickly. Inspect the finished work. When the roof is complete, do a walkthrough with the contractor. Look for any missing shingles, exposed nails, or damage to gutters. Make sure flashing around chimneys and vents is secured. If you see anything concerning, Speak up before making your final payment. Keep record. Once you're happy with the work, keep all paperwork, including permits, warranties, and invoices, in a safe spot. These documents could come in handy if you ever sell your home or need to make a warranty claim later. A quality roof installation in Sterling Heights doesn't happen by chance. It comes from planning, asking questions, and hiring the right professionals. Following this checklist can help you protect your investment and enjoy peace of mind, knowing your new roof is built to last.